Hey up everyone, here we are. Next stage is getting everything painted. What I'll probably be doing, well, I'll show you around the frame. There is a lot of pit marks, but if anything, I'm going to be just prepping it all up. There is, like I say, there is pit marks, but I've got some high build primer, what I'm going to be using. Hopefully I can wet and dry all that out, get all the horrible parts. But yeah, I'm going to go over it quickly with the angle grinder. I've got a flappy wheel on it with a very fine sandpaper on it, so just get a little bit more off. I've been going over it, but I'm going to try and get as much as I can. But yeah, let's get some of this sorted. Right. Like I say, I've tried to do my best as much as I can, but like I say, hopefully if when I come to prime it, I can try and get rid of the majority of all them pit marks. I know it's not going to be perfect, but let's see what we can do. So you can only try your best. But what I'll do actually before I start doing it, I'll go over it and you can kind of see pit marks which are on the frame. So noticing somebody's gone over it previously from when they painted it. I've got majority all out. There's quite a bit there, but I think when I come to wet and dry it, get the majority of it all out. But I have been going over it as much as I can. Seems like the forks don't have to worry so much with the chain guard, so that's reproduction. But flattened a lot out. It's hard. There's a lot of tight reach or tight areas to reach to on it. But so do a little bit of a video prepping it. Because in the next part I want to chuck some primer on it. Like I say, I've got some high building primer, so that should do. Right, get some glasses on. Right, there's this area where I want to battle. So thing is, well, yeah, I just want to get as much as I can. Thing is, can't really stay in one area, so you end up starting to flat spot the frame, which I want to try avoid, which I have already avoided a lot of it. Just kept going over the area. Like I say, trying to get as much as I can. It ain't going to be perfect, but there was somebody previously when they repainted it, they must use something really, really aggressive on it because it left a lot of grind marks in the frame. Probably a stiff wire wheel brush on it. I think that's going to be the best I'm going to get out of it. Make sure you guys are still on. Yeah. So I think that's going to be the majority of what I'm going to do on it. Everything else should get with primer and paint. What I'll do now, we'll grab some panel white, prep the frame up, ready for getting some paint on it. Well, do with tightening that up more, to be fair with you. I'll get that when I come to primer it again. Right, get some panel white. Well, I think this rag's dirty, but it's not. It's been through the washing machine, so it's clean. Right. Got some panel white from Paint Shop Supplies. A big one of it, so got it for future projects. Get it lathered. Every little bit. I know normally you should wipe on, wipe off with this stuff, but it's not mega dirty. I've cleaned it up prior. So just going over the majority of it. Alright. Just can't get to wait to get this built really. A lot of a long waiting time, but just go through the whole process of it, isn't it? Some more on that. Love doing these up there. Last one I did. Sent all the stuff off to get re-chromed. Well, all the ones I've restored in the past. Just like everything mint. Alright. I think a lot of that will do. I want to get over the majority of areas. Alright. So I've got some high build primer, so I'll chuck that on. Do a mist coat. Shook up well. Oh, I've picked up the wrong one. check you still guys right. You go, see what you're on. Right. This is what I've got. It's a high build H primer light grey. Still don't know really what colour to do it just yet. Been looking at some purples and that, but at least I've got some primer on it. It doesn't matter which colour. Go for a lighter colour or something else. Probably go lighter on the primer. It's good shape. I'll get hair dryer out soon as well. Right, let's get some mist coats. Check that's alright. Got a nice flared nozzle on this as well. So nice even coat. Keep about 6 inch away from getting too much on. Get too close to the frame, we'll actually have the primer running. Don't say primer, but for anybody who's actually coming to, I should cover my face really. But yeah, when it comes to painting, you don't want to be too close because then I'll have rule marks. It's getting quite thick this is. I wanted to do a mist coat. It's getting quite thick. So a lot of this will get wet and dried back. So I'll get it so it's where it's relatively quite smooth. But the thing is, you can see all your high spots, you can see all the rough spots. But like I say, when I come to paint it properly, you won't see a lot of that because I'd have flattened it back. Got some normal primer to chuck on as well. Whew. So I like using a bike stand. Get it all around so you reach hard to reach areas. Right. No, I should have got a mask. I forgot one. Whew. Thing about these cans from paint shop supplies, plenty in it. Spin you guys around, get your back legs. Ooh. You guys are enjoying the content. I try to get this out as much as I can. You don't really see Raleigh choppers getting built, well, in-depth videos of them. Right. Whew. Spin that way so I'm getting to underneath the frame to the hard reach areas. Right, let's review back there a little bit. It's the cool thing about rotating it around, you can see where you've missed. Like that under here, not loads, but it's enough. Get to the end of the can and you're like, oh, I missed there, oh, I missed here. Right here, under the cleat plate. Under the stand. I will be cleaning the bottom bracket out anyway. Ooh. Hope you guys can still hear me. Get around there. I'm seeing a lot. There we go. No doubt I'll done on, but oh, I missed here, oh, I missed there. See a big spot up there. Oops. Ooh. Well, that looks to be it. We'll go over a couple of more coats, but whew. Take you guys off. You can see. So this is what we have now. It will start looking better. But it's stuff like that I don't like seeing. Anything really. Any imperfections underneath. But say it's high build primer. Should do its job. Once we've wet and dried it all down. Stuff like that I don't like to see. And you'll see that through the paint and it just looks rough. And then I should have gone down the line again in powder coat because it's a bit thicker. Getting there. Nice once it's all done. Yeah. You can like, share, subscribe, follow. It's much appreciated. Gets the content out there more. And obviously the generation who had these when they're kids, they can enjoy the whole process of this bit basically. But enjoy. Have a nice evening guys. Thank you.